All right, good day everybody. Thank you for coming back. So in the last video, I removed the old floor on this ground floor bedroom. And in this video, I'm building the new floor. And before building the new floor, I have to insulate the foundation and then put a vapor barrier at the bottom. And then after that, put the floor and then put some insulation on the floor. And then after that, start building your room. All right, let's get started. All right, I don't know if you can see this, but so this plastic here I installed yesterday afternoon, so it's about 12 hours, and you can already see some humidity being blocked from entering the floor. And then over here, so this was in about lunchtime, so there's more humidity under there. So that's how it works. Gonna make a big difference, although there is no mold, no rot.
ちょっと早かった。なんか柔らかいかも。少し時間を置けば変わるのかな。ポップコーンつけたいね。
これ食べるとさ、気持ちよくなる。やべえ。やべえや。うまっ。
甘いですか？
うん。イエーイ。
Maple flour.
うん。どうしようちゃん。美味しいね。
All right, the first half is done. So now I move everything and I remove this half. So about one day, 8 hours, should be able to finish this side too. All right, let's do it. So to remove the last two, I gotta cut that frame there and probably that one too. And you see that's sitting right on there, so I have to cut that as well. So the door, I want to keep it there because now it's still cold and it also keeps the dust in here. So all right, let's try that. So the plastic and the insulation is done on the second half. Time to start flooring. All right. So this here isn't, I have to put a drill I'm not sure, anchor into the concrete to keep it down. Otherwise, every time we walk in here, it's going to move. All right, the framing is done for the second half. I'll put the insulation. So that piece that was moving here, I attached it, I drilled a hole. The bolt was only 10 centimeters long, so I had to drill into the wood and then attach it to the concrete. It's a expanding bolt, so you push it in and then there's a pin at the top. You push the pin and then it expands and then it tightens. All right, so now I'm almost finished, just this little strip of the floor. And today I'm going to get the wood for the walls and start building the walls.